Santa Cruz, and today I'm gonna teach you how to use math for everyday living. The moment you wake up, you look at the time and check if you have 8 hours of sleep. When you cook your breakfast, you have to count and measure the ingredients. When you drink your water, you have to drink at least 8 glasses a day. When you ride the car, you have to make it on time before the class starts. How much is this? 30. I have 100. Here's 100. Give me the 3. Thank you. When you buy a snack, you have to count your money and change. When you join a sport, you have to add your score and compare with the other team. When you play music, it has 3 minutes average time. When you bake, you have to be exact in measurements. We sometimes convert Fahrenheit to Celsius when using the oven. You can use your phone too. When we eat pizza, we use fraction to divide shares for our family.
1 whole. 4 equal pieces making 1 whole. Now we will see 1/2.
In home decorating, you measure the length of the materials. 23 inches. When you look at your school bag, you have to count if you have enough supplies. When we draw, we use different shapes and angles. When we're sick, our mommy measures our temperature and gives us the right amount of medicine and love. And finally, at night, when we cannot sleep, we count the sheep.
Let's count some sheep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I hope that you've learned something today. Remember that math is our body in everyday living. I like math and math is fun.
M-A-T-H, M-A-T-H, I love math, I love math. It is so exciting, very interesting, I love math.
Hey, that's what I want to say to you, babe. Oh, I wish that I could say that too. These feelings I'm sensing right now, they make me wanna burst inside. Is this love I'm feeling for you? I'm so confused, don't know what to do. When I'm around you, I feel my mind go blank, yeah. I really like you, I want to confess, but I'm scared to find out the truth. Whether if you like me back or not, I wonder every day until my mind goes insane. Please tell me how you feel. Baby, I like you a lot. I love it when you look at me with a smile on your face. Just thinking of you makes my heart skip a beat. Can't fall asleep 'cause we starting eyes. I feel the heat rise up to my cheeks. It's so nice knowing that you will always be beside me. They say that it's only popular, regardless of what it is. I am still in love with you. I really like you, I want to confess, but I'm scared to find out the truth. Whether if you like me back or not, I wonder every day until my mind goes insane. Please tell me how you feel. Baby, I like you a lot. I love it when you look at me with a smile on your face. Just thinking of you makes my heart skip a beat. Can't fall asleep cause reality is finally better than my dreams.
Hi everyone, this is Joshua and I'm here to talk about math in our everyday lives. As soon as you wake up and look at the clock, that's math for you. Do you know we use multiplication to tell time on a clock? If the shorthand is at 7, that's 7 o'clock. And if the long hand is on 8, that's 8 times 5, which is 40. Then the clock says 7:40. I also use math to know how long I have left to prepare for school. But first, let's have some breakfast. I think I'm craving for some pancakes. Let's see. We need 1 1/2 cups of flour, 1/4 teaspoons of salt. Oops, you can hear fractions, right? Yep. We also use math in baking or cooking. We use math to measure the ingredients for a recipe. Wow, that is a delicious meal, Mom. Thanks! After we made the pancakes, there were no milk or eggs left. I think my mom will make a short trip to the grocery store. She'll need some money to buy some. Oh wait, that's another way we can use math. By handling money, the understanding percentages and buying for the best price. Now you see, math is everywhere. We use it all the time, right? Now the next time you have the urge to say, I don't need math, you better think twice, okay? Oh, I really need to go and prepare for school. Bye for now. Joshua signing off.
Have you ever wondered why we use mathematics all the time? Numbers don't look good. And how can we use mathematics? Well, share me a few minutes of my time as I share to you my thoughts and knowledge as to how math gives us a way to understand patterns, define relationships, and predict the future. A bit of trivia: mathematics is from the Greek word math, meaning that which is magic. As for me, mathematics is like ice cream with lots of flavors that you can imagine. And speaking of flavors, let me show you one of my favorite flavors in math. portion of the whole you need, you have, and you want. Amazing! See? Math matters. Imagine, can games be played without numbers? Can apps or software be programmed without math? Can athletes train for a race and time themselves with no math? And how does a doctor know the amount of medicine for patients? And how will you pay and get your change without math? Of course, can birthdays be remembered without numbers? All of these and more simply show how mathematics connects to everything, helping kids to learn, understand, and think more deeply about the world. I wish I have more time and share with you my other math favorites. See you on my next vlog. This is Mr. Little Amiable Math. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Bye! I gotta go to work.
Good day, everyone. My name is Alicia Tambaga, and I'm from the grade 5 Alliance. The topic for today is how can we use math in our daily life? We can use math by managing our time or our schedule. Take this for an example. We have 1 hour before school starts, and it takes time for you to get ready. It takes 10 minutes, then 3 minutes when you cook and eat breakfast, then it takes 30 minutes for you to walk to school. Now you only have 17 minutes left, so you can still study for 8 minutes and do whatever you want for 9 minutes. Now you had fun and finish school, and you also balance your time. Thank you very much for watching. That's all for today. See you next time.
Kaylin, hey, look at that one. This is grade 6 confidence. I'm going to explain how we use math in our daily lives. Math is important. It also includes mental health. We use math every single time. For example, I think every single people that has a toy that they wanted, that's why they saved up a toy when they were younger, but their parents wouldn't buy it. I think everyone saved that money. Example, the toy cost 100 pesos and the mother gave them 5 pesos every single day. In 1 month, he finished. So he cracked open the piggy bank and counted everything. Counting is included to math because we use the additional plus. Sometimes we have leftovers. 5 times 30, that's a lot of money. 5 times 20 is actually 300. I think it's 300. So he minus it. He minus how many money does he have left? He went to buy cotton candy. Cotton candy 20 pesos. How many pesos they cost? 120 minus 300. It's 180 pesos. I think that's correct. That's how much we learn about minus, plus, and everything about math. We use math for buying, grocery, marketing, and even just getting money because we're lazy at cooking. And maybe because we didn't ready any food, that's why. Like buying even a simple thing. Even the simplest things we use math. Like how many water bottles do we have to drink? Because I heard my mom told me that you need 8 glasses of waters, or sometimes even 10. So you have to count how many water bottles, and that's still math because you plus it. Even buying or anything causes math, except walking, unless you want to count how many steps does it take. Example, how many steps it could take. Like how many steps it take, or even just checking your weight. That takes like using math. Some people, when they grow up, they don't use math. You might say, why they don't use math? They use math, but they use calculators to solve their problem, because usually calculators is the easiest way, especially for adults. Adults like to use calculators because they get lazy, and sometimes some adults don't like using math, but they have to use math for work. No matter if you're grade 1 to how old you can get, you have to use math. Every single day of our lives we use math. Like counting how much it is, how much that, how things, how many lines do we have to make. Math is an important thing. Without math and science, I don't think we can invent trains. I don't think trains would be invented. Electric ones would be invented. I don't think anything should be invented without math, science, and all the rest of the subjects. That's why you might say it's boring and learn to go to school because it isn't worth it. School is also important because it teaches us how finishes. Scientist is like an engineer because they create something. Mathematics is also like an engineer because you can't make a rocket without the rocket math, without writing all the calculations to go back home and to another planet. That's just common sense. And we need math every single subject. That's why every subject is important for us to learn, even how hard they get or how easy it gets for us. Subjects are important, and we can never get lazy with them because we'll never learn a thing. It's always there. No matter if we walk, we take a bath, we pay, we still have a little bit using math, a little bit, and we're one of those things. We use math. That's why thank you for listening for my explanation. How do we use math in our daily lives? Technically, we already use math in every single thing we do, unless you want to count how we walk. That's how we use math, how we walk. Thank you for explaining. Goodbye. Thank you.